The house is on 4-foot piers, and the back of the cellar here is half open to under the house, which creates a breeze through and keeping this room cool. So it's ideal. House. We have steel security doors, LED-light doors into the foyer. This is my day room, which opens out onto a private courtyard. It's totally closed in. I actually had birds flying around in here. I had finches living in here, which is ideal. It was absolutely beautiful for them. Granite bench tops, gas stove, appliance cupboard, dishwasher, the centre island bench on the roll out. We have a walking pantry here. Dining room looks out onto the lake. The TV stays there in that unit. And this cupboard at the side here was built to take all your CDs, but it's actually a secret little hideaway. Barbecue area.